My name's Jessica Weldon, and we originally had water damage in our kitchen and were approved with the insurance company for somebody to come out and give us a quote for cabinets and flooring and everything that goes with it. So I Googled contractors in my area, and you guys were one of 4 that came out, and instantly Brian called me the next day. A couple of other places I had to wait a couple of days for, but he called me back the next day, and from there we built a rapport. He came out, walked us through the entire project, and went with you guys. So in doing some research, we learned that Dailey has been around for quite a while. Family-owned company, right around the corner from our home, and I really felt comfortable working with Brian. He didn't try to oversell. He was not, he really wasn't trying to make a buck. He was really trying to give us the kitchen that would fit our needs, our budget, our insurance, and I think it really turned out beautifully. So originally we had soffits all up through here, and working with the insurance company, you know, they're going to give you what you had before, but Brian thought, you know what, let's take those soffits out, see what's in there, and I think we can get some cabinets up to the ceiling, and I think it really worked, especially with the darker cabinets. It really makes this room look bigger and more open, and I was very comfortable and wonderfully surprised with Nick, who came in, one-man job, did it all, did a fantastic job, and they did between the floors and the granite and the hardware, everything, it just looks really great. So little things, but they're big things. We had a corner cabinet that we literally would have to get on our hands and knees for to look back in that cabinet, but Brian suggested one of the pull-outs that we can put our pots and pans. That's worked wonderfully. And a lot of the bottoms, we used drawers now instead of, I guess you just call this a regular cabinet. And I love it. You pull it out, it has quiet close, you put your bowls in, and I think just the touch points with the sink, the stove, the refrigerator, it just really works well for our family. I think it's beautiful. It's funny, when going from white cabinets to dark cabinets, we were a little nervous. But again, we kept it open, we kept it bright with all the electrical, with the painting, with the countertops. I think it's beautiful, and you guys did a fantastic job in pulling it together. You guys could see the vision because of your experience, and I couldn't until Nick got in and he started putting cabinets up, and I couldn't be happier. I think it's been wonderful. From Brian walking me through every step, and he would say to me, no pressure. This is on your timeline, this is what we can get done, I know your budget, and this is what I think would look nice. He went with me to the marble company, he walked me through the hardware, told me what floors would really work well here, and your team was wonderful. Between Nick and then the flooring guys and the demo guys, you cleaned up every day, constant communication. Brian was either a text or an email away, and I really just felt like we became a quick family in the very short time that it worked out. I would say go for it. Like I said, they're a family-owned and run business, and they really take pride in their work, and they don't try to overly or aggressively sell you on different things. You tell them what they want, they work within your budget, and they're just there from A to Z to do anything that you need to get done.